Hi, my name is Eddie with Multi-Man Services, and in this video I'd like to talk to you a little bit about how we go about doing gutter cleaning and what we suggest for future maintenance on your gutters. At this home here we have a lot of pine needles, a lot of things getting on the roof and in the gutters. So first of all, I'd like to start off with whichever gutter screen system you try to go with. We live in Wisconsin, right? There is no maintenance-free solution to gutters, especially when you have pine needles. And there are some gutter screen systems out there that claim that they can, keep all this stuff out of there. But unfortunately, what it does is it does keep a lot of the water out of your gutters. And what it'll do is it'll spill over your gutters and then just create a waterfall over the top of your gutters. So, what we encourage our clients to do is if you do decide to go with any type of gutter screen system, it's going to involve some sort of maintenance. At least once a year, you're going to have to get the stuff off the top of the screens, off your roof. So that's going to, you need some sort of regular, maintenance, from there at that point. So if you don't go with the gutter screens, which is a lot of what our clients do, cleaning at least twice a year is a good idea. Once at the end of spring, at the end of fall. And in between cleanings, what we suggest is to use a tool similar to this. It's actually a downspout filter. So regardless of how full your gutter gets of debris, it'll actually keep all of the water that gets into your gutter and flow out. There's 132 holes in here, 100 square inches of surface area for water to get out of your gutter and down the downspouts. And this prevents your downspouts and underground drains from filling up. While we're here, what we can do is get the spider webs and nasties off your house, get the green algae with a low pressure soft wash cleaning. We're not going to actually do any pressure washing, but when we apply our solution here, it's going to make your house look brand new, nice and bright. We'll get, whoa, almost died there. We'll go ahead and get you a quote to, get the yard cleaned up a little bit, get some of these pine needles off the road. Off your yard and under the trees here. So if you look below, you'll see different packages for each service that we offer. So depending on the level of clean that you're looking for, pick the best packages that you go with. That's all I got to say about that. Any questions you have, feel free to give me a call on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Have a great day. Thank you. And just as a little bit of a reminder as to how we do a little bit of the house washing, low pressure detergents, no high pressure. It's going to brighten up these brick ledges here. And also another thing that to keep in mind is it looks like a lot of your windows over time have developed moisture. So in no event will we actually use any high pressure near your window panes to encourage any more moisture in your windows. So we can do all that from the ground, no high ladders, no high pressure, no brushing. Restore all that out. And once again, look forward to working with you. Have a great day. Hey, as a side note, this is your neighbor's home. If you show him this video and let him know about our low pressure cleaning techniques, we can actually restore his siding here as well while we're at your house. Same exact price for your home and his house. Basically, let him know that we'd be glad to give you $75 off and him $75 off the price. You guys go in and on it together, create a nice neighborhood bulk, wholesale discount there. Thank you. I keep finding things to talk about here. So as part of our house washing package, it's going to include washing your shed back here, no extra cost. So we'll have our hoses out. We'll go ahead and hit this for you, make it look really nice. And also when it comes to your gutters on the outside here, it looks like they're original to the home. And they also have a lot of seams, that could end up dripping. So our new gutter systems are going to be seamless. So we're going to have one long gutter from end to end. A gutter from end to end. Pretty cool. So no seams in between, no chances of leaking, and it's a high quality industrial grade material. Nothing we would buy at Menards or all that worthless stuff. So honor and a privilege to work for you guys. This is the last video. Bye guys.